fluid is staying blue, which should indicate no exhaust gas is getting into coolant, but it still doesn't rule out a possible head gasket. Probably pressurize the coolant system and see if we see a pressure drop there. Maybe pull the plugs, stick a bore scope down in there, maybe compression test each cylinder. I'm not sure yet which one we're going to do first, but again, the truck runs so good, not seeing any combustion gases in the coolant, so that's a good sign for what it's worth. So we're going to hope for the best. Handy dandy little wrench they give you here. Alright. Alright. So, do we trust the gauge or not? I don't know. What I'm going to do is test it on another vehicle that I know is good and go from there. Alright, so today we pressurized the coolant system up to about 15 psi and let it sit for about 10 minutes. We saw about 1 psi drop over 10 minutes. What that is, what that could mean, I'm not entirely certain yet. I'm going to do a little reading on it. I think obviously it shouldn't drop at all. I did test it on another vehicle that, I know is good, and it did not drop over 10 minutes. So 1 psi over 10 minutes, let me know what you think. We also tested for combustion gases in the coolant system as well. And as you can see, the fluid didn't turn yellow, it stayed blue. So I'm still at a loss here. We pressure tested the oil cooler as well the other day. We ran up to, I think it was 81 psi, and we didn't really see a drop. I mean, it was like 1 psi over 20 minutes or something, and I think it would be more steady. So I'm going to do a little bit of reading, probably pull out the plugs, compression test the cylinders. I might pull the valve covers too to see what they look like, and just go to the next step. But this truck continues to be a mystery. It runs really, really good. It drives great. I really like the truck. It's just the simple fact that there's some oil in the coolant tank. That's really where this all started. But nonetheless, I want to know what's wrong with it. If something is wrong with it, I at least have to go through all the steps to check it out before we button it up and send it on to its new owner. So stay tuned for what's next.